Hi, my name's Dr. Raquel Butler from Integrated Veterinary Therapeutics, and this is my dog Billy. She's a rescue Rottie Cross that I've had for about 3 to 4 years, and she's recently had surgery on her knee because she ruptured her cruciate ligament when she was playing crazy. So she's currently being treated with canine and cat muscle release therapy, which is a therapy that I use in dogs, cats and equine muscle release therapy in horses. Canine and cat muscle release therapy works on the fascia, which is the underlying cling film-like layer under the skin, investing into the muscles and the organs and preventing them from spasming. When the fascia is tight, then you can get spasming of the muscles and it can restrict the body and cause imbalance. Canine and cat muscle release therapy, or CCMRT, was originally derived from equine muscle release therapy by Alison Goward in Queensland, and it has become the official bone therapy on small animals. Canine and cat muscle release therapy is a dynamic, gentle manipulation of the soft tissue to stimulate the body to heal itself. As well as working along the fascia, it also works on the nervous system. And by working on an area, say along their back, then it's like flicking on a switch of a light bulb, and it can affect other areas of the body internally or further up in the body or down in the leg. And this is because it's working along the nerve impulses as well and addressing the nervous system. Dogs' bodies, like our bodies, are subject to stresses and strains. Often dogs, unlike us, don't know when to stop. So they will put their bodies under undue strain until it leads to injury. CCMRT helps to prevent injuries as well as treat injuries, and it can be very useful in providing pain relief and initiating a healing process within the body. CCMRT can be used to treat many conditions in the dog and cat. These conditions can range from spinal disorders, disc protrusions onto the spinal cord, causing paralysis, post-operative surgery like cruciate surgery to help with rehabilitation and getting them back to full function, as well as preventing long-term atrophy and weakness in that leg and further strain on the opposite leg. Can also be used for gastrointestinal problems and rebalancing the gastrointestinal system, and any other injuries that they may occur. It's fantastic for providing pain relief, releasing muscle spasms and getting the body back into balance. The important thing to think about when you own a dog is that they don't have much self-preservation. So you may think that your dog is happy and healthy and pain-free because they still run and chase that ball, or run around crazy in the backyard, or get excited when you come home, or play with the other dogs, but it's the subtle signs that show when a dog's in pain. Dogs are a predatory animal, so they will hide their pain until it is absolutely necessary that they show it. So the most important thing is to be able to recognise signs of pain in your dog before it becomes an issue. Ways of doing that can be just picking up subtle favouring of legs or the way that they sit all the time. Ways of picking up pain in your dog is looking at the way that they sit, the way that they move, and their general demeanour. If you notice that your dog is struggling to get up or down, then that is probably a sign of stiffness and discomfort. If they have become aggressive and they have previously been happy, then this is a sign of discomfort. They will not generally go off their food until they're in severe pain and would prefer to lay down and sleep or die than continue to live. So if you can pick up those subtle signs early and start treating with a body therapy like CCMRT or joint supplements, then you will significantly improve the longevity of your dog. And I can say that Billy, even though that she'd ruptured her cruciate ligament, she was still running and chasing things and acting as though everything was completely normal. But when you looked at the x-rays of her joints, then you could see that it was definitely a painful problem that needed to be addressed. So she will now hopefully retain full function of this leg, and will be having hydrotherapy and CCMRT to retain the full function of that leg. CCMRT is such a gentle modality and so rewarding to treat dogs and cats with, as they enjoy it a lot. I have dogs and cats which come in, and as soon as they get in the room, they lay down and have a sleep in between the moves, as well as having the responses during the moves. So they may be yawning, they might be stretching, laying down, shifting positions, drinking, sometimes urinating, and doing the things that they need to do to get their body back into balance. The clients enjoy it, their animals enjoy it, and they love bringing their animals to me and seeing the happiness that it brings to them. So thank you for listening to me talk about CCMRT and Billy. And if you have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to email or call me, and we will discuss suitable options for your pet. Thank you.